we are here to get ready to do the truck series race here from Charlotte, and we're gonna get ready to take you guys green flag action, racing action. So Zachary Fitzwater, who's up in the top 10 in the points here, is actually closing in on trying to be points leader again, but he's having a shot, and he's gonna get up here and try to see what he can do. And we got one more race until the chase, and yeah, let's see what's gonna happen here. Oh yeah, here we go. Green flag is out, boy. Let's go racing. And Zachary Fitzwater is out front right now. But one thing you are definitely gonna have to look out for, if you are Zachary Fitzwater, is some of you guys that are pressuring him in the points, and I'm talking about that guy right there in that 3 machine, Michael Norman, and a couple other guys, the 62, PJ Williams, this 83, and there's a whole bunch of guys on the inside lane, side by side, right there. Off the corner, they go down the back straightaway. Oh, they're hitting about 100, 190. But everybody's still getting, nobody making too much moves. As the one, the Lay Walker, is in the lead right now. Here comes Andreas Allen. Andreas Allen to the bottom. He's gonna try to make a move. There they go to the inside. Look at Andreas Allen, followed by the 61 of Jordan Smith, and then side by side behind them with the 83. Oh boy. Like I said, I'm very surprised that ain't nothing has happened yet. They're going side by side again. Still. Oh, here they go. 3 wide. Oh, Joseph Romero. He runs up. Eric Burton. Oh, there's a lot of contact. Oh, Eric Burton. There's still 3 wide. Oh, there's 3 wide right there. Oh, Robin Doors off the corner. Oh, the 83 in the wall. Eric Burton still making contact with Cody Lawler. But they somehow made that work, and then go Dylan Posty to the inside. You're gonna try to do something with the Red Bull Toyota on the inside of Bob Jones, and behind Bob Jones is Kyle Thomas, the defending season champion. And it's still green flag racing right now. Oh, but the 62 trying to find that gap. Oh, the 22 all over Dylan Posty. Dylan Posty still holding his ground though. And man, you guys are just jockeying all over the place for position right now. Which I'm not too surprised about. Well, here comes Kyle Thomas. He's gonna try to dig down to the bottom of the racetrack. Right behind. Oh no, that was Alan Cavanaro. That wasn't even Bob Jones. Sorry about that. Bob Jones is actually in the back of the pack. There he is. Sorry about that. He's not even running the Red Bull scheme. That's Alan Cavanaro. And there's Jessica Shelton and Benjamin Miles getting into the mix right here. Well, a lot of you guys are about to witness their trucks doing some different things, and oh man, just get something. Got a little wiggle right there, and there they go. Oh, I thought they were going to be 3 wide there. Oh, 99 right behind Jessica Shelton. Oh, and Benjamin Lamont to the inside of Jessica Shelton. It's about to be side by side here. There's Danny Wells behind them. Oh, Danny. Oh, and there goes Sean Harple. And right behind Sean Harple is Ryan Acosta. And there's the 81 going to take it to the install. He's going to get the lead. Danny Wells, Ryan Acosta. Here comes Eugene the back. The whole brigade on the inside line. And we've seen these guys try to go 3 wide early in the race, but they actually thought better of it. But I don't think they're gonna think twice about it this time when they go 3 wide. They're Dylan Thoreau in the 91 down there on the bottom, and he's trying to pick up some spots, get himself back up to the front. And there is oh, here he goes. Here it goes. Oh, they're forcing it 3 wide. Oh man, they tried to. The 18 did. Oh, they're 3 wide in the back. Oh, they're still 3 wide in the back. Oh. And we're gonna take a look at this. So this is interesting. They're still 3 wide in the back. Oh, still 3 wide. Oh, they settled it out. So we got back up to the front. The 18 still in the lead right now. But behind them, they are just going all over the racetrack for position though. The 84 in the lead now. The Factor 2 Chevrolet. Trent Dunn. Trent Dunn is trying to get that magical win here again. He won back at race 4 at Primer. And he's trying to get back to Ricky Lane again here in the truck. About to be reaching halfway in this race. Still don't have a clue when these guys are going to come down pit road. As Dylan Thoreau is out front leading the field. And man, the field is just hounding him for the spots right now. He's got it out in check. And these guys are doing a great job. They have not wrecked yet. But I'm not trying to jinx that just yet. But anyway, Dylan Thoreau is out front right now. Behind him, oh, these guys are making moves and wiggling around a bit. Their trucks are just not going off. And there goes Ian Dunn and Austin LaPlante to the fray. And right behind them is Leo Walker, and Austin LaPlante's gonna go to the inside. And he's gonna take the lead. And coming to the line, Austin LaPlante, he's won 2 races. He won at Texas World, and he won at Rockingham. He's up here again trying to get another win. But a lot of guys would not want that to happen. There's Daniel Wells. He's trying to get another win. He won at Michigan. And an exciting finish that was. Side by side here once again. They're about to hit the halfway mark. Oh, Austin LaPlante trying to fill that gap to make it 3 wide, but he knows that's not the best move. Well, not right now, at least. And Daniel was gonna go get inside, and he's gonna make the move to lead. These guys are just moving up and down the racetrack. Just a lot of bumps in some of the turns on this racetrack, and these guys are just trying to, fill those bumps out and see what their trucks do. Their trucks are just bouncing up and down, man. But they are halfway now. About 19 laps to go in this race. They have not seen you guys pit yet. Oh, and you got 3 wide right back here. Right back here going 3 wide. It settles it out. And they're 3 wide again. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, it's still 3 wide. It settles it out. This track, you can't even go 4 wide on this track. Well, basically you really can't even go 3 wide on this track. Speaking of trying to go 4 wide. But anyway, Bob Jones has got himself up to the front. And man, he's right behind that 93 right there. Preston Ford, up near the front. Man, it's been a tough road for him in the truck series. It's been a tough road for him in all 3 series of late. He hasn't really got the spark he needed, and he's trying to get that spark here today. And this might be what he finally needs, running up near the front right now. Tell me, yeah, like I said, most of you guys trying to get a good finish out here and set up for the final race before the chase. Well, here comes Chris Dollis, and he is trying to get all he can get right now. G's on the inside, and a lot more contact going on now. Does anybody on pit road know these guys are strung out a little bit just to sell them? Jessica Shelton is in the back now. She was up at the front really anyway. She was, and side by side between Danny Wells and Toyota Compadre in the 18, talking about LJ Mills. A lot of you guys just kept it clean. Have not done too much to cause any wrecks here today. I'm very surprised about. Oh wait. Oh, we're gonna have some problems. Oh, did we? No, we didn't. Got 3 wide in here though. Looks Everybody made it. Oh no! Oh! Zachary Fitzwater! And we got big trouble. Jessica Shelton came in there and we got a wreck. We got some of these guys coming down pit road. Yeah. This is gonna be interesting. First caution of the day finally comes out here. Seeing this was about to happen all race long. With the way these guys were beating and banging on each other all day, and the 9 just went up in the Zachary Fitzwater. Gonna catch the 21. Oh man, 21 just hit that one hard, and then Jessica Shelton got nowhere to go. Austin LaPlante was involved as well. And that's 2 top guys right there in points and problems. Along with Jessica Shelton, she's another one. And she was running in the 20. She was making some moves. And these guys just been, talking about it all day. They were just gyrating on the inside lane, and then there you go. Oh man, just a hard hit by Jessica Shelton in the Bob Fergus. Nick Perrico is Zachary Fitzwater, and there you go. We had a wreck on pit road as well, and it looked like it was with these guys coming down pit road. A lot of these guys couldn't stop, and so they're gonna run in the back of the 60 here. Oh, that's James Claus coming in there. He hit the 84, and then it wasn't over. Once you thought it was over, the 22 is gonna come and run in the back of Alex Calinaro. Bob Jones. I don't know what the hell that was. He ran in the back of Alex Calinaro. You see that part, there's 2 wrecks under the first caution here. Boom. I don't know what the hell that was. That was interesting. And I was not expecting all this to go on under caution, but it did. And that's gonna make for some magical wonders happen under pit road here. Okay. There's Dylan Thoreau. He had some damage involved in that as well. But anyway, we had the rest of you guys coming down pit road. Charlie Rodriguez. Like I said, a couple of these other guys coming down pit road, and Eric Burton in the lead, and this is his home track right here, and he like for everything to win here at his home track, and he got about 5 laps to try to do that. You guys about to go side by side in front of him. Oh boy. Oh Dylan. They're gonna make it 3 wide. Are they gonna make it 3 wide? No, I thought they were for a minute there. But there's Eric. He's right there. And he has the 61 right behind him, but I don't think he's gonna have to worry about it. Oh, there's pit. Are they pitting? Yeah, somebody just did. That's the that was the 2 machine, and there they go 3 wide. Right there. Oh! Oh, a lot of contact there. Still 3 wide. Eric Burton. Man, was he making a hell of a move right there. That could have just cost him the race. He got 2 laps to go here now. He's just all over the back of these guys. And the 61 is right behind him with the 63 as well. In hot pursuit. Oh. And they're about to come to the white flag. White flag is out here for Eric Burton. Is he about to win here at his home track? Eric Burton. He's got it. Right now, he's out front. Eric Burton trying to hold on. And he is going to hold on. Here he comes. Eric Burton's going to win here at Charlotte. For the day there for Eric Burton. And this might definitely cement him into the points picking. And Preston Ford actually had a decent end to the day. So, yeah, we'll take you through your results. And that is the race here. Eric Burton ends up winning. Oh, Steph Cole got taken out. Here we go, big one. At the end. They're not done. Danny Wells is in it. This is gonna end the race. Sean Henley trying to hold on. Cole Dowley to the inside. It's not gonna be enough. Sean Henley's gonna do it. Sean coming up the corner. He's gonna win the Sprint Unlimited, and he's gonna win the Daytona 500. Here for Ross Fenway race, and he's gonna do it.